Finally got back into a KTM EXC. So this one's a 382 stroke 2000 model. On the front it's got tail-on hubs and XL rims, which is aftermarket. It's got a PWK 38 striker carby, which makes it easier for tuning. Still got the original front exhaust, clear tank, 382 stroke, and then kickstand. It's got an aftermarket FMF power pipe, chromed swing arm. So I just got this one. This is my third one. I've had a 98 and a 99 model in the past. So I'm just about ready to start it and see what it sounds like. Bit of a smoker, we'll give it a clean out. Yeah, runs alright, new engine.